Holding the rear key, the machine backs up. Pressing one of the forward and reverse keys, the machine turns. Holding the forward key, the machine moves forward. Adjust the construction work location. Remove the fixing screws of the auxiliary tower. Take out the auxiliary tower and connect it with the main tower. Assemble the auxiliary tower. Thread the wire rope through the pulley assembly. Raise the tower frame. Fix one end of the wire rope on the winch. Wind the wire rope onto the winch. Connect the other end of the wire rope to the retrieval tool. Install the water tap on the rotary head. Connect the upper water pipe. Install the support bars on both sides of the tower frame. Install the positioning disc on the positioning device. Prepare the machine for adjustment. Install the water supply pipe of the mud pump. Install the water inlet and outlet pipes of the cooling pump. Install the water-cooled heat dissipation pump. Assemble the water-cooled heat dissipation package. Put the heat dissipation pump into the heat dissipation package. Install the inner tube assembly and inner tube. Install the spring clip with the thinner side down and the spring clip seat together. Install the spring clip seat below the inner tube. Complete the inner tube installation. Connect the spring clip room and the spring clip room stop. Put the hanging ring into the drill pipe outer tube. Install the spring clip room on the outer tube. Connect the drill bit and reamer. Install the centering ring in the reamer. Connect the reamer to the outer tube. Complete the outer tube installation. Install the inner tube into the outer tube. Check if the water outlet is in place. Use the retrieval tool to pull out the inner tube. Tighten the distance if the water outlet is too big. Loosen the distance if the water outlet is too small. Install the drill pipe. Turn on the power. Start the machine. Raise the power head. Move the power head away. Put the installed drill pipe into the positioning disc. Apply lubricant to the interface. Install the drill pipe by rotating the power head. Start the mud pump and increase the throttle. Begin drilling operation. Adjust the pressure of the power head. Loosen the connection between the rotation head and drill pipe. Remove the drill pipe by rotating the rotation head. Use the retrieval tool to remove the inner tube. Remove the spring clip seat. Extract the core sample. Install the spring clip seat back. Use the retrieval tool to install the inner tube. Remove the retrieval tool. Lift the power head. Install the second outer tube. Continue construction work. Repeat the same steps to extract the core sample. Install the outer tube with a stopper. Remove the positioning disc. Install the root tube drill bit on the root tube. Place the root tube in the positioning device. Install the positioning disc back. Install a reducer on the power head. Install the root tube by rotating the rotation head. Normal construction work can be carried out. Install the hydraulic hoses of the mixer to the mud pump. Open the valve. Start the mud pump. The mixer works. Pour polyacrylamide into the pool. Dip the mixer into the pool. Stop when the concentration reaches a certain level.